All right, kids, don't do this at home. If you're under 15, go talk to your parents, ask them permission. If they give you permission, call CPS because they're horrible parents. Do not play with this stuff.
It's my pleasure. To present Jimislash.
All right, so I'm out here in South Carolina, out here with the Holladay brothers, and we're gonna do some ultimate testing on some cold steel knives. Let's see what this is gonna do to the Peacemaker 3 and the SR1 Lite.
All right, we got about 2.5 pounds of Tannerite in the container. We got the SR1 Lite and the Peacemaker 3 ready for the maiden voyage. We have a rope tied to my handy dandy floor jack so we can recover after the explosion.
And hopefully it all goes well and the cameras aren't killed and none of us are injured, in that order. That was awesome. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, there goes the smoke.
Right over there?
Yeah.
Never slowed them down much, the whole cement block's gone.
So the cement block's gone and so are the knives. I guess we should have used a chain. But, all right, so I'm gonna leave the other camera rolling and we're gonna go knife hunting. And you'll see that we're not doing anything fishy. We're just looking for some lost knives. All right, Tannerite versus the Peacemaker 3. Let's check how far out we are from the explosion. Right there. There's the cinder blocks. This is the first part we've seen of any of the knives. Oh yeah, Tannerite's the winner on this one. Holy freak, look at that. All right, awesome. It was going to be tricky to find this before the farmer came out and decided to do some planting this morning. So it's not just a needle in a haystack anymore. It's a needle in a big pile of dirt in a haystack. We're going to keep looking. All right, so all we found was the blade on that Peacemaker 3. Everything else in that explosion was just... We kind of figured out that maybe we used a little too much Tannerite, and that rope just obliterated. So yeah, everything was gone. If you look closely on the video, well, not this video, the next video, you'll see what I'm talking about. Pretty much the knives are gone once that explosion goes off. Everything's blown apart. So this is part one. We got part two coming up of some other stuff. Another day that we kind of figured out some things, and then we went ahead and redid the same things we did this time. But it was a lot of fun. Just be careful if you decide this is what you're going to do. Stay away. Stay far away. Those knives and everything flies and flies. You'll find pieces of cinder block and stuff, I don't even know, 100 yards away, easy. And that's just a pound or so of that Tannerite. So don't go refrigerator blowing up unless you're way far away.